Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to today's video, which is all about how to have a Disney day when you're at home, because everyone's at home right now, and if you're not at home, you should be. I've seen so many people getting super creative over on TikTok, like recreating rides, recreating parades, just doing as much as they can to have fun at home and bring the magic home. So this video is dedicated to different ideas that you can do to try and do that for yourself. I feel like the first thing that you need to do when you're gonna have a Disney day, if you're gonna be fully committed, is get your ears on. So let me go get my ear collection. Yes, I have a lot. This isn't even all of my ears. I have a bunch back at my flat in London where I normally live. So this is a selection. Yeah, I could choose ones from these, but I actually have some really special ones I want to show you guys. These are from my best friend Fee and her new small shop FINGAMABOBS, which, what a name, honestly. She's just started making ears in the past month. She actually made her very first pair of ears for our trip last August when we both went to Disney together. She's using this lockdown to her advantage to kickstart that dream. So these ones are Cinderella themed, and honestly, I'm obsessed. Like, the detail, look at the sides. They're so pretty. So I'm definitely wearing these today. Let me just put them on. Yes. Whoa, now my framing is out because the ears are above my head. Okay, let's do this. Let's get this a set. So obviously that's the first thing that you have to do on a Disney day. If you're gonna go all out, I would say put on a nice outfit as well. So if I'm wearing this, I feel like I need something Cinderella-y vibes, maybe blue. I mean, I have this Disney sweatshirt on, but honestly, I live in Disney sweatshirts all the time right now, so that's not really special. So let me go get changed into something different. I literally have so many different Disney t-shirts that I could wear. Oh yeah, this is from Kingdom Threads as well. I'm a brand rep for them actually, so I will link them down below and my discount code. But I feel like I need something that's like kind of like princessy. Oh, actually, maybe. I think I need a dress. Like, I feel like that could work. Maybe, but also it's kind of cold today, so maybe we're gonna wear it with a tee. Okay, yeah. Does this work? I don't know. I think so. Yes. Okay, I think we decided on our ensemble for today. Maybe. I mean, we're making Disney work in England, so this is the best we're gonna do. I feel like actually, if we're gonna be really extra here, we might as well pop on a magic band. I have purple or I have Elsa. I feel like purple is fitting the vibe of the day, so we're gonna pop. What am I doing with my life? Like, honestly. So once you're ready for the day, you've got your magic band in place, your ears on, your nice outfit, there are then so many different ways that you can bring some Disney magic to your home. Firstly, I'm not going to show this in the video because who wants to watch me watching something, but watch the welcome show. Start your day at 9 AM, get up, get ready. I mean, it gives you a reason to get out of bed, which some people don't have right now. Once you've watched that welcome show, I feel like it's time for breakfast / brunch, because to me, one of the main parts about going to Disney is the food. I've done videos in the past recreating different Disney snacks. I did the grilled cheese, the carrot cake cookie. I failed at the Jack Jack cookie. I feel like that needs a redo because I just didn't do it justice. But today, we're gonna try and do like Mickey shaped pancakes, like a Disney brunch. But that's what we're gonna go do now, try and make our own Disney spread. I don't know what this vlog is, guys, honestly. I feel like I'm getting desperate. We've been in this lockdown for like 2 months now and I am losing my mind. Okay, let's just go make pancakes. Life will be so much easier for us one of those like cooking YouTubers that has all the ingredients laid out for them ahead of time. So good. Alice has decided to join the party, rocking thingamabobs as well. Literally, I'm obsessed with these ears. They're incredible. It's like Anna and Elsa. Oh, it is! Kind of. Oh my god. First flip. Seems okay. Seems to be going well. Pretty good. Haven't made pancakes since 2 years ago, pancake day, because I went out last pancake day. Remember when we used to go out? Wow. What a concept. No, can't relate, can't remember. This is the first pancake. There's nowhere to go but up. Mary Poppins Returns. Yes, Mum. I'm so proud of myself. Trying to get the ears now, but not sure how this is going to turn out. Face trust and pixie dust. Oh, I think I need to flip it now. We're attempting the Mickey Mouse pancake. I don't have high hopes, but I thought I've got to try. It's the flip that's gonna not work. No. Maybe I should have just not done this. Oh, hello. I mean, it's firm. I'm pretty proud. That was quite something. Another cute touch we're going to try and do. I got these ink and paint plates in the mail yesterday. I ordered as a little treat to myself, and obviously they're all Disney themed and I'm obsessed with them. They have like on the back which film they're from, and we're going to serve our toppings and our pancakes on these and have a cute time. It's all about bringing those magical touches where you can. So we have it all assembled, the cute little Mickey ones with the mini ears, some fruit. These are like the accompaniment plates from the Grand Floridian. Then we have chocolates and raspberries. These ones which were our attempts at Mickey shaped and a heart. And then we have some sauces. That's all cute. And now we're going to assemble our spreads by ourselves. So we had the pancakes, they were a big success. We had all the toppings and more. And now one of the things that Disney have been putting up online is different tutorials for drawing different characters. So it's like the animation academy that they have at Animal Kingdom right now. So me and Alice are not artists, I'll just put it that way. But we're gonna try and do a Mickey Mouse one. It's like a 4-minute one. So we'll see how that works. How are you feeling about it, Alice?
I'm feeling good. It should be fun, you know, we'll see how it goes.
We'll chip back in with you. It's this guy. We've got it up on the big screen. I'll put a link to like the one we do down below, but this is what we're doing. Alice, your ears are off. It's a Disney day. Your ears should be on. Put them on. They should spark joy.
I'm sorry.
Better. Now we can begin. It's already not going well. That was stressful. We actually had to stop it after the first bit and put it on half time because it was going so fast. This is coming from someone who watches YouTube at double time. I'm not thrilled with my results. I'm not gonna lie. It's just a bit elongated out here. This is my main issue. Definitely a problem area. I'm quite pleased with the mouth. Nothing else. I did sign it as they said, but I'm not thrilled. There's Alice's. I think there's definitely some good points to it. Yeah. I think you've nailed the shape of the head. I think again though, the nose issue and the mouth, your mouth is very big compared to my mouth. But safe to say neither of us are gonna be artists. We're gonna stick to YouTube. But it was fun nonetheless. Well, that was fun. Oh, hello. So now I'm just going to talk about some of the things that you can do to have magic as part of your Disney day. So that I don't necessarily want to vlog because it's not very interesting, but still give you ideas. So firstly, obviously do ride-throughs. There are so many amazing ride-throughs online in like ultra high definition. Want to take it to the next level? I know there are some companies on Etsy that do like the candles centered after different rides. It's like Pirates of the Caribbean. I have one centered after the Fiji scene in Soarin', which perfect. Obviously there are whole videos of the parades you can watch, the fireworks. Disney released a ultra HD version of Happily Ever After. We are watching that at 9 PM tonight. Something as well that's kind of different I guess that you could do is, say you want to do a ride through for Mine Train, go on an 1.5-hour walk if you're allowed to walk in your area. So that's like as if you were waiting in the ride time, like the wait time would be an 1.5 hours, then you ride at the end. Obviously try recreating different recipes. We aren't going to do it today because we just did like all those pancakes and don't want to like make unnecessary food. We have so many treats at the moment in the house, but there's something else you can do. But just make sure to wear your ears the whole time, because especially if you have ones from the parks, you just feel that pinch and that will remind you of home. Another fun thing that I've been doing with my friends in particular is eating around the world. So I came up with this idea really randomly about, well, over a month ago now, where every week we have an Eat Around the World supper club. We do it on a Thursday and we FaceTime or Zoom call or Facebook chat as we are making the food, and then we eat it together and then we watch a film related to that country afterwards. So far we've done Mexico, which was Coco, then we did Norway, which was Frozen, then it was China, which was Mulan, and then we went to Germany last week and we watched Tangled, and then this week is going to be Italy, so I think we're watching Lady and the Tramp, which I know isn't set in Italy, but it has the meatballs, so sorry Mickey, you're being really distracting. I'm going to put you there. So that's something we've been doing to try and stay connected as well, and just have something a bit different during the week, rather than like, I know everyone isn't used to being at home with their families or whoever they're with as much as intensely. You can connect with other people. You could also do it in your household if you want to, with like other members of your family. Maybe you could all take a turn in doing the cooking week by week. We started it and we're like, haha, imagine if we actually get the whole way around the world. It's 11 countries, that's 11 weeks. It's now looking likely. Another fun thing that you could try is screw TikTok dances, try learning Disney dances, learn like the Friendship Fair dance or like Fantasmic, different routines, Beauty and the Beast, just like give it a go, because I know personally for me, the TikTok dances are never going to be my kind of thing. It's just not going to work, but that's something I have more of a chance of being able to do. You can also do whole experiences, so I'm going to insert a quick clip now of what me and my sister did yesterday for her channel, where we recreated Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. Because that's the stage we've got to in lockdown. We're now like turning me, a full adult, into a princess. And Alice committed to this. Like, she watched loads of different videos that families had uploaded of their like daughter being transformed. She had it down. Like, the whole experience was I'm not gonna say 10 out of 10 because it was like kind of weird, but it was fun at the same time. So just, yeah, roll the clip. Come here.
So I was a fairy godmother in training and transforming Princess Emily into
Rapunzel.
Into Rapunzel.
And now Rapunzel. We did the whole hair and makeup. We got the crown. We've even got some accessory pieces from when we did it, when we actually were little.
Yeah.
So we filmed the whole experience. So Alice is going to have a video of the whole thing.
Girl in Wonderland, it's gonna be a fun time.
So that's something else you can do. Just do a full-on princess makeover. I mean, you do probably need someone else in the house who is willing. But
no,
try it
honestly,
out.
just do it yourself. Just do it yourself.
Just do it yourself.
Yeah.
Try it out. Look at these outfits. Check out her video.
Thank you.
That's something else you can do as part of your Disney day.
Yeah.
The limit. Endless. So that was that. I mean, feel free to give that a go. I don't know if many people have like as crazy a sister relationship as me and Alice do, but so I know this video is kind of a weird one. I don't know if it's like gonna really help anyone, but it's just basically trying to do Disney magic at home, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. I will maybe be doing like more ideas as they come to me. Comment down below what you're doing to keep the magic alive, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye!